Stay down here. Yeah, Mommy set the camera there for now. Yeah, you can sit here. And what's Kelly doing down there? Looking for flowers? What you doing, Kel? Well, if it's yuck, why are you touching it? Please don't put stones on the sidewalk. Play with your flowers instead. Here, play with your sticks and your flowers. No, no. No, no. Especially with your sister sitting there. Please don't throw rocks. Yeah, that's not nice. No, no, leave it alone. You hear an airplane.